Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to repair the weak hits of this Seagate 2TB Family 5.8 patient hard drive. Now we can see we use the Control L and we can check the family ID and also the family name here. And we just back up the ROM and we can use this function, adjust the adaptive temperature to repair the weak hits. Now we select this one. For newer drives, we use this one. For old Seagate F3 drives, we use the first one. For newer one, including the DM series and LM series and other newer F3 families, we use this 0.12. We can use Opton to get the head parameters. Okay, now we can see the total head numbers. There are totally 5 heads. We can adjust the first 5 columns, right click, increase like 20, or sometimes if we check the values are higher, and we can try to decrease like this one. And we need to compare the values of other heads. They are almost the same, and this one is higher. Okay, almost the same. So head 0, we just have 20 decreased. Head 1, head 2, almost the same. And for example, and we can okay, decrease 10, reduce 10. And this one almost the same. Okay. So after this adjustment, we can try to save ROM or write. Now we try to write data, write this modification to the ROM. So we just need to wait a little bit until the write completes. And sometimes if we wish to have a quicker operation to the ROM operations or firmware backup by COM mode, and we can try to increase the baud rate. Okay, now we can see in the log window, write success. Now let's try to power off and power on the drive. Okay, let's try to scan the data arrow. Now we can see it's much faster. Okay, thank you for watching the video.